Hello students, today we will see the concept of DEQueue. DEQueue stands for double-ended queue. Now, if you want to insert and delete from the both side of list, then we have to use the concept of DEQueue. That is, insertion and deletion can be performed from both ends. Normally, deletion can be performed from front pointer, but in DEQueue, front pointer can be also used for insertion, and similarly rear pointer can also be used for deletion. Suppose this is list. This is rear and this is front of list. In normal queue, we perform insertion from rear and deletion from front. But in DEQueue, we can also insert from front and delete from rear. There are two variations in DEQueue. Input restricted queue and output restricted queue. As pronounced from name, input is restricted. Insertion can be done at one end, that is rear. And deletion can be performed at both ends. Similarly, in output restricted queue, output is restricted. That is, deletion can be done at one end only, which is from front, and insertion can be done at both ends. So this was the concept of DEQueue, which is a theoretical concept which can asked in exam as short note. Thank you. Hello, our next topic is circular queue. Some characteristics of circular queue are: it is a linear data structure. It based on FIFO, first in, first out. It has two ends, front and rear. Insertion is taken by rear and deletion from front. Now let us understand the algorithm of circular queue. Let us assume that this is the current scenario of list where front is pointed at 10 and rear is pointed at 3. And if we delete first two element, then queue will become like this. Front is pointing at 12 and rear is pointing at 3. If we try to insert element from rear, then rear will be initialized 0 and goes on front -1. In second case, rear initialized with 0 and it show queue full. In this case, so this becomes the advantage of circular queue over normal queue. Thank you.